Hello, my amazing students. It's Miss Wondrak, and this is our second day of working with picture graphs. I hope you watched the video right before this if you're following our lesson plans. But I just want to review quickly what we learned yesterday. We know that a picture graph is a graph that uses pictures or symbols to display data or to give information. So the key is the part of the picture graph which explains what each symbol stands for. And it's also the place that we need to look at immediately because it tells us what we're counting by. So yesterday we read several graphs together and we're going to continue with that. So today we're going to start with this graph. And it says the second graders visit the zoo. They start to draw a picture graph of what they see on the way. It shows the number of cars and trucks they see. So the name of the picture graph is kinds of cars and trucks. They see regular cars, ambulances, trucks, vans, and buses. Now we always go to the key and it says that each symbol, which in this case looks like a chess piece, stands for blank vehicle. So here's another one where they're not telling us what they're counting by. We have to figure it out. So if you go to number 8, it says the children see 25 cars. Each symbol stands for blank vehicles. So what are we counting by? If we count by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that gives us 5 cars, but it's 25 cars, so that's not right. If we count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is not enough. That's only 10 cars. Let's count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, not 25. Let's count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Still not enough. Let's try fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, some of you might have known that. Of you might have known that 5 times 5 is 25, but I wanted to go through each one. So we would write here for number 8, the children see 25 cars. Each symbol stands for 5 vehicles. And again, if I could write for you right now, I would write 25 next to cars. Now here they see, for number 9, they see blank more trucks than ambulances. You are comparing trucks and ambulances. And when we compare, we subtract most of the time. So if we're counting by fives, they have 5, 10, 15, 20 trucks. Write 20 right above here. And for ambulances, there's one symbol. So that would be 5. So we're going to subtract 20 minus 5 to find the difference, to find out how many more trucks and ambulances. Always show your work. So I'm going to give you a moment to do that. 20 minus 5. And the answer should be 15. They see 15 more trucks than ambulances. For number 10, it says they see 15 vans. They will draw blank symbols on the graph. So you can see for vans, they haven't done anything yet. So how many symbols would we need to draw to represent 15 vans? And we're counting by 5. So one symbol would be 5 vans, two symbols, 10 vans, three symbols would be 15. So you would be drawing 3 symbols. Number 11, they see 10 buses. They will draw blank more symbols on the graph. So for buses, they don't have enough. They only have one symbol that's showing us 5. If we're counting by fives, how many more symbols would we need to draw? So you're at 5. We're counting by fives. We have to get to 10. That should just be one more symbol. If you had 2 symbols for buses, it would be 5, 10, 10 buses. And the last one, there are blank fewer ambulances than cars. So we're comparing ambulances, and we should circle ambulance, and we should circle cars. So for the ambulance, there is 5 ambulances because there's only one symbol, and there's 25 cars because there are 5 symbols. So you're going to do 25 minus 5, and that would give us 20. So that was just a quick review of picture graphs. There's more here. Let's see if we can do one more before I set you free for today to work. Oh, ribbons. I like ribbons. Okay, so this one says the graph shows the number of different colored bows in a box. The title is Bows in a Box. I go right to the key. Each heart, each symbol stands for 3 bows. So how many blue bows are there? So I'll give you a few seconds to figure it out. We're counting by threes. So if you're counting by threes, it should be 12. There should be 12 blue bows. And again, write it right on the graph. How many red bows? You're right, there are 3 because there's only one symbol. Each symbol stands for 3 bows. So write 3 for red. And yellow? You got it, it's 6. 3, 6. We're counting by threes. And green? 3, 6, 9. If you said 9, you got it right. Write the number 9 next to green. And for orange, what do you have for orange? I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And write 15 next to it. Now you have all the information, you can answer the questions. How many colors of bows are there? How many? How many different colors? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bows are yellow? Now, if you say 2, you're incorrect because we got to go by the key. We're counting by threes. So how many bows are yellow? There should be 6. How many bows are blue? What do you think? We're counting by threes. So please don't write 4 because that would be wrong. You see 4 symbols, but every symbol equals 3. So the answer should be 12. How many bows are green? We've got 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. How many more bows are orange than yellow? You're comparing orange and yellow. So when we compare, we subtract most of the time. We've got 15 orange, 6 yellow. So everybody subtract 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. And write it down, show your work. You don't know if I can see you. All right, you know I can't see you, but I'm trusting you. So 15 minus 6 equals 9. There are 9 more orange than yellow bows. Which color has the fewest, the least? That would be red because it only has one symbol. And which one has the most? And that would be orange because it has 5 symbols. All right. So I hope this is helpful. You have another worksheet to do tonight on just reading pictographs. Tomorrow we're going to start to create our own. Have a great day, Superstar students.